Marleau wastes no time in making some noise with Leafs, Arthur. Flanked by vociferous wingers Kadri and Komarov, veteran centre scores Toronto's first goal in Tuesday's pre-season game against Ottawa at ACC. Watching any Toronto Maple Leafs game without Auston Matthews and William Nylander is, frankly, a lesser experience. You could argue that any pre-season game is by definition such a thing, and this brought us to Tuesday night in Toronto. With some of the Leafs, minus Matthews and Nylander, among others, after they displayed flashes of dominance in a lopsided loss in Ottawa Monday night, against a lot of the Senators AHL-bound players. Drawing conclusions was not advised. It was still the debut of a new line, with Nazem Kadri between the human clenched fist of Leo Komarov on one wing and the shiny old newness of Patrick Marleau on the other. Marleau came with a 3-year, $18.75 million US contract from San Jose, where he was an All-Star 3 times and never won a Stanley Cup, and he is replacing Connor Brown, who was smart and diligent on this line last year. But either way, it means breaking in a new guy to the habits of Toronto's odd couple. "He's seen me and Leo go at it, that's no surprise there," said Kadri, before Toronto took on the Sens at the ACC Tuesday night. "I mean, Leo's like my big brother, so we don't lie to each other or beat around the bush, we get straight to the point. So I actually prepared Patty for that. I said, listen man, I know sometimes it's going to seem like we want to kill each other, but it's over and done with after the game. So he understands, and I think he gets a kick out of it.